TCS will be releasing about 2% of its workforce. That essentially translates to slashing 12,000 jobs at least. This is something that the company has mentioned in a statement that it released to ET Now, besides of course mentioning that it is investing in new technology, AI deployment and next-gen infrastructure. It states that it is on a journey to become a future-ready organization, and as part of that journey, it will be releasing associates from the organization whose deployment may not be feasible. And this will happen primarily in the middle and senior grade levels over the course of the next 1 year. Meanwhile, the company is undertaking reskilling, redeployment initiatives for its existing employees, and it assures that there will be no impact on client service delivery. It also mentions in the statement that the company will be providing benefits, outplacement and counseling support to impacted and affected employees. Now, this is coming in at a time when several of its employees have lodged complaints against the reworked employee bench policy. Meanwhile, K. Krithivasan, the company's top boss, just a couple of days back in an interview to ET Now stated that client sentiment is marked by uncertainty and this delay in decision making. Now let's understand why this is happening now. Well, since 2022 onwards, economies worldwide have been facing stubbornly high inflation. Global supply chain concerns are over there, and of course there are geopolitical tensions galore, and which is why efficiency and lean operations have become quite the norm, and they have become central executive priorities as investors are demanding sustainable growth rather than hyper-growth models. Now, overall, the IT services sector's cumulative revenue is to the tune of $283 billion plus, and now that since TCS is undertaking this exercise, remains to be seen whether other companies will follow suit or not.